How much money do you need to start a cold email agency? This is the age-old question any beginner has, and I have had before I started my journey. I'm going to show you what the brokies do and what I recommend you to do, how I started. I'll also tell you a little bit of a funny story and what I wish I did that now I know is just that it was a huge bottleneck. I would be so much further ahead had I known these three things. And I'll just show you in this video so you can skip the bottlenecks that I did, the bottlenecks I caused and encountered, so you can just get to the fun part is where you start signing clients. So the assumption that keeps people stuck. Most people assume starting cold email agency just requires thousands of dollars in tools, professional website, a team, and a month of runaway. So they just wait and just fuck around with the website. They keep their job, they keep reaching out, they keep buying courses, and they keep telling themselves they'll start when they have more money or just have more time or more confidence. I'm here to tell you there is never going to be a perfect time. I'm not a fucking guru. I'm just showing you what I do, and I make videos that I wish I had when I started. So I'm just basically documenting what I would have needed had I started. So hopefully you guys finding value out of this. But the point is, there's never going to be a perfect time. You're never going to write the perfect copy. You're never going to have the right setup. You just need to start regardless and then just improve as you go. I've worked with so many people that were just like fucking around for the longest time, building that like tiny little detail on the website, taking up months of their time and just useless stuff that doesn't generate revenue. And that's the key thing. Just focus on revenue generating activities, right? Focus on signing clients, focus on helping people with your service and product, right? That's going to help you make more money and help them make more money in the process as well. If you're not focused on that, I don't know what you're doing. And obviously, you know, you need your foundation, so that's okay. But you don't need a fancy website. You don't even need a website at all. First, I started without no website, and I still managed to sign clients for 4 figures, right? You don't need a website. So stop wasting on stuff that doesn't bring you revenue, right? Obviously, you need a foundation, do that. But after that, just focus on revenue creating activities, right? But my point is, starting a cold email agency, the barrier has never been this low. When I started out, the only way to get inboxes was through Google, Microsoft directly, paying like $8 a month. So I went the route where I basically just went with like free Gmail accounts and free Outlook accounts. I took my time and I was just farming them every single day, like making like 50 to 100 accounts until I had like an arsenal of like 1,000 accounts. They kept getting banned, so I just kept making new ones. And it was working okay. I was doing like, I don't know, like 10,000 emails a day, something like this. And I was quite good, but you know, that system still works today, but I spent like the whole day just creating always inboxes. Now you can just do the same and just literally just go to something like MailDeck and just grab like 100 inboxes for like $30 on Outlook. It's just ridiculous, right? Or on SMTP, like 50 cents. Like, had I known this before, had I had this tool before, oh my God, that would have been crazy, right? I'm not just trying to like shoot my own horn here, but you could use any tool, right? Like, it's just, there's so much more opportunities now. And also just think of it like a business. Like, you could start broke or you could start comfortable broke budget, right? What I mean is broke budget, $150. Like, seriously? You want to build a business with like $150? Like, since the video started, I probably spent more in API costs than $150 on just Claude alone. And I'm not trying to brag. I'm just saying, like, it takes money to build a business, right? $500 is realistic. If you start with that, you can buy some decent amount of infrastructure. You can send like 40K, 50K emails a month. You can get a nice sequencer. You can get good leads, and you can also fulfill for your clients. For $500 a month, you can get relatively okay. So you don't want to penny pinch on the shit stuff and just save you money, because believe me, I did that. I found originally 3 years ago when I started, 4 years ago I started, the cheapest sequencer, basically free inboxes, and that never really worked well. And also free leads that I just found on some free website. It never really worked well, right? You want to obviously invest in yourself, but obviously if you're broke, I would just like quite literally just get a job. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but like get a job and then just fund this. Like if you cannot afford like $500, just get a job, fund this, and then you can start a real business. There's no business you can start with like under $500 and then just fucking like make thousands of dollars, like tens of thousands. It's not gonna happen, right? Like there's literally no other category. This is even ridiculous. Like $500 for a business is just ridiculous. So again, like category one, like I said, domains, inboxes, warm-up tool sequencer. lead source, email verification. I just quickly went over them. If you want to pause the video, you can pause it if you want. If you want a more detailed video on this, I have just linked across the channel. I have made videos about domains, inboxes, but I'm gonna do like a quick little speed run of all of it. But basically domains you can get off Pork Bun. I recommend you go to Pork Bun, you type in the domains that you want. You can use any kind of AI tool just to generate you cold email domains. So like I use Claude, generate me cold email domains for stonehaven.capital with the extension of .us. So it's going to generate me, and I could just come here, put stonehavencapital.us. That's just one of the extensions I recommend. Give me 50 of them with .us. Don't worry about it. And it's basically warming us like, oh shit. I checked it yesterday. It was $1.9. But anyway, let's just sort by price, right? Like we could check like a few good ones. Also domains is quite like controversial. There's a lot of stuff on domains that a lot of people just overlook. I'll probably make a whole video on domains. I literally just put in my notes, I'll probably make a whole video on domains alone. But you want to avoid the ones that are on blacklist quite a lot. The ones that are abused by cold emailers like .online or .info. Something like .one is quite good, .my is good. And then it's just going to generate you here. Let's just say you want these. You come to bulk search, you put here, add to your cart, and boom, it's going to add it to your cart. And that's it. Simple as that. All right, next step is you want inboxes. I would go to MailDeck and just bring them here. If you want Outlook, if you want the diversification stack for $9.99, then that's it. You can get it. 40K a month volume is quite nice. If you want to pause the video, right, I just explain the differences between them. Or if you want a more in-depth guide, I generally show this in most of my videos because it's super helpful. But pause the screen here and you're gonna have all my recommendations on inboxes currently, and then you can just decide. Warmup pool, it comes usually with your sequencer. If it doesn't, then it's a problem. I recommend you use something like Instantly or PlusSwipe. Personally, I'm diversified across both of them because I get a good deal with both tools. And also I just keep my clients on PlusSwipe, and I do heavy sending, like 20 million a month on Instantly, right? That's my strategy if you want to copy my 25 million a month email sends. Lead source, you could use Apollo's free budget stuff, or you could do like, we build this specifically for like beginners as well. Like you could go to Lead Sonar and just grab like a ton of free stuff, like a free leads. They already verified. You could just download them. It's generally good for like most niches. Email verification, I recommend Email Shield. You can get up to 40K free credits if you just sign up right now. It might have changed if you're watching this in the future. Currently, we give away 40K free credits. And then again, like lead source is basically going to be free. Verification is basically going to be currently free. And then also like sequencer is going to cost you like $40. If you go for the 99 plan for 40K, it's going to cost you $100. It's going to cost you like $200 maximum, right? And that's the broke setup. If you want like slightly more expensive, go with this. This is going to send you a little bit more amount, like twice as much. Or you can grab like for this, like 200K a month for $399. We need a sequencer for like $100. And then leads, you're like at $600. But $600 you can sell like 215K. That's crazy. Also, you can buy, instead of wasting money, like a professional website, you can pay an Indian or Pakistani guy $100, $500, and they make your website and pay them like $300, $50 for a logo. Fancy CRM, $50 to $150. Cold email courses you can get for 202K. Don't do it. LinkedIn Sales Snap, don't need it. Virtual Assistant, you don't need it right now. But what you actually need is a Google Doc with your offer clearly written out, and one paragraph on who you help, what you do, what they can expect, what it costs. That's literally all you need. A Calendly link or Go High Level calendar link. Free plan is fine. This is where people will close with you. You also need a contracting software. If you use Go High Level, you could use that. Or you could use esignatures.com. That's what I used previously. And that's it. That's the business, right? You can start outreaching. Category 3, but there are some hidden costs nobody talks about. Domain purchase to first warm-up email, right? It takes some time. Warm-up period begins. First quote sends. It takes like 1 week. It takes like 2 weeks with Google. It takes like 1 week with Outlook and 3 to 4 weeks with SMTP. So you have a little bit of downtime. So do we expect that? And also first cold email to positive reply is going to take like 1 to 3 weeks. First positive reply to book call, again, you're gonna spend like another 1 to 5 days, and then book call to sign contract. You're gonna send, like, if you're lucky, like cheap service, like 1 to 7 days. Our average contract, our average sales cycle is like 2 to 3 weeks, but we're charging like minimum like 5K a month. So that's obviously different. So here's the scaling math, right? 1 month, you're just basically starting out, no operational revenue yet. So be sure, you know, you're okay with losing that. Month 2, you're going to have your first few clients signed. Infrastructure is now covered and you're basically break even or profitable. Month 3, you're going to make money. You're going to finally make money. You're going to grow. You can reinvest in basically just horizontal scaling. And then month 4 is just where you scale, you hire people, and that's it. Where to reinvest? I would just back into infrastructure, more domains, more inboxes, and you know, you can easily handle like 5-10 clients yourself alone. And at that point, you can get VAs to just do the client management for you. What not to do: don't buy 50 domains before you have a proven offer. Don't pay for coaching that you don't need if you only have enough money to send like 1K emails. Don't wait until your first setup is perfect. It's, like I said, never going to be perfect. Don't optimize looking like an agency before you are one. Also, don't look like an agency. If you look different than everybody else, you're automatically going to be better than them. It's a good thing I learned along the way. The barrier has never been, like I said, lowered. The only thing stopping you, again, sounds mystical, but it's literally you. You just need to send volume, see what sticks, and then just optimize from there. You don't need to pay me. You don't need to pay any guy to tell you like what to do. If you want to pay me, you can pay me, but I'm just going to tell you the same thing I tell you in this video. It's just fucking test, see what sticks, send like a couple 100,000 emails, and I pretty much guarantee you're going to sign some clients. If you're not, you have fucked up something that I've shown you to avoid. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you're starting your cold email agency, hopefully this guide was a little bit helpful to you. If you want this document on inbox types as well, it's going to be probably in the description below. If not, you can pause the video and just take screenshots of it. And I'll see you in the next ones. Cheers.